Hey Scott, here is Unit 60, Skytop, Windy Walk. Beautiful, backs up private mountain view here. Here are the steps up. See the kitchen dining area there. Here's your half bath for guests here. Nice kitchen. All the appliances are brand new. Really nice backsplash, new cabinets, soft close. Oven's brand new. Microwave's brand new. Fridge is brand new. Got a little pantry here. Flooring looks brand new. Here's your laundry area. Here's your 2-car garage. Water softener too, which is nice. Ton of windows and natural light. I have to look, probably 300-400 feet maybe.
The 2-bedroom?
Yeah, I think they're more like the 1,700 square foot size. So nice.
Oh, 1 floor?
I think so. Yeah, I think they're one level. This area here, you could put a table and chairs with the view. You have some turf here. Really beautiful private view, and then we'll head upstairs.
Well, you're heading through the house.
Right. No problem at all.
But, I mean, it's similar. Well, not similar. Is that big? You have first floor, and that's
Right. That was nice for you.
All right. Get a video of the, no, you're good. We'll get a video of the bedrooms real quick for him. Here's the stairs. Got the primary on this side. Got a little balcony with that private view. Nice flooring. It's a water closet. You have 4 really cool skylights here. Good size closet. Everything's brand new. Nice tiled walk-in shower, tub, linen closet. And we will head over to bedroom 2 and 3. Here's the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. And then here's the Jack and Jill bathroom for each bedroom. 2.5 baths and 3 bedrooms. And then you end out with that beautiful view there.